how can you select the correct Spoonflower fabric for your project? I will show you exactly how in this video. When you get to the end of this video, you will get a free gift from me, so stay tuned. My name is Oksancia. I'm a textile designer with 15 plus years of experience, and I am a founder of Oksancia Textile Design Studio and an award-winning online school. Well, I have been designing fabric for many years now, and I have been selling fabric on Spoonflower. I am not hired by Spoonflower. I do not represent Spoonflower. I am just a user who have been designing fabric and also getting fabric from Spoonflower with my own designs for projects, for clothing, for DIY home decor, for clothing for my kid. So all kinds of different fabrics, and here's just a stack of fabrics that I have all from Spoonflower in different types of fabric. And here's a little infinity scarf that I have that I done for myself. So this is what I do. However, I get this question a lot: how to know which type of fabric to select on Spoonflower. A quick way how I do it for every type of project that I want to create. I do two things. So the first thing, I look at the fabric in their sample pack. This costs only a few dollars from their website. You can add the sample pack from there. I will put the link in the description box so that you can go straight there and order it for yourself. But this is how it looks like currently. They change it up over the years. I've had a few of them because every few years I like to order a new one so that it represents their current fabric. But a lot of fabrics stayed the same, and they added a lot of cool and exciting fabrics and wallpaper. This is actually a wallpaper sampler as well. So first of all, I really recommend you getting it because it's not only the type of fabric. Let me open it. Inside you have a little chart of colors printed on paper, and they say that when you print on paper, depending on the printer, and even you print on different types of fabric, as we have here satin and we have fleece, for example, these two first up fabrics. So what they say that the colors will be different. So I'll include some close-up shots and some photos in good lighting so you can see the color differences. However, I would say the color differences are pretty slight, but still on the paper it's a little bit more colder colors than on fabric. On fabric it's a little bit more brighter, but again, on paper it also depends on the printer. So I personally am very satisfied with the colors, how they print on different fabrics. I think they are great. However, it depends on your project and what you want to do. So in this box you get these little names of the fabric, and then you can actually touch the fabric, how it feels like. You can look at the colors and compare them, and then there are a lot of them to choose from. So depending on the project, you can touch the fabric like this, and you will know if this is the fabric for your project. That's the first step. The second step, what I do, I like to go to their website, to the Spoonflower website, and they have a section which tells you what fabric works for which product. So for example, I want to make a tote bag. So I would go to Spoonflower website, I would type in a tote bag, and then it will tell me which fabrics work with this type of project. And I like to just search the page. So Command F, then I type in the word. If it doesn't pop up, I kind of look through what they recommend for each fabric. So like you see here, every fabric has a little description next to it. So these are two main ways how I personally decide which fabric would fit for my projects. And another thing you can do, if you are not sure after the first two options, you can also order these little swatches from their website. So you can go to the fabric you're interested in, and then you can pick a fabric and then order the swatch. So this way it will be exactly how it will print on the fabric, and then you can order a few of them for different fabrics with the same pattern or a few different, so that you can compare them to the colors in your room or to the project that you already are working on. So today I shared with you how you can pick a type of fabric from Spoonflower depending on a DIY project that you are working on, and I am so excited to hear how these tips help you. I also have a video how to select the scale of a pattern. So for example, this would be a tiny little elements, and these would be much larger elements, right, on two different kinds of fabric. So how can you know how big the element would be? I have a video for that, and it's linked in the info card in this video and in the description under this video, so go check that one out too. Remember the present that I promised you at the beginning of this video? Here is my webinar recording that I released to you today for free, which is called 3 Secrets to Building a Successful Lifestyle Business Designing Repeat Patterns. This is actually a workshop along with a workbook that you can download and work on your own business as you go along the webinar, and as you listen to it you'll be able to have action steps. So it is a very much hands-on, full of ideas and inspiration for your own creative business as a textile designer. You can access this free webinar recording with the link in the description. You will be taken to a page where you can sign up and watch this recording and work along with it. I have gotten some great feedback for this webinar, so I hope you check it out as well. Remember, the link is in the description under this video. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give me that like, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and by also clicking the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. Also, please share this video with your own creative friends if you know somebody who might find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Grow, love and create, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!